Hola clase, here are your instructions for Thursday, February 18th. First, you have a calentamiento, your warm-up, and it's on your months of the year. So here's what it looks like. You have 3 attempts. For numbers 1 through 5, you are going to fill in the letter that's missing from each of these months. So all you have to do is put the letter here that's missing to complete them. Once you get to number 6, you're going to take each of those letters from 1 through 5 and you're going to unscramble them to make a month in Spanish. Okay? So you're going to write one letter as your answer for 1 through 5 to complete each one of these months. Then those letters that you wrote in 1 through 5, you're going to unscramble to create a month in Spanish. Your hint is that it's not one of these months, but look at your vocab list for help. After that, you're going to listen to your next 2 songs for Locura de Marzo. So your 2 songs for today are Agua by J Balvin and Tiny and Más by Aitana and El Dandy. You're going to open up your Locura de Marzo bracket, and in the green box, you're going to write which song you like better. After that, you have 2 activities to do. A fecha dates activity. It says it's an assessment, but it's a classwork. I just changed it so that you'll get some feedback immediately. And then you have a Flipgrid to record. So this is what the fecha activity looks like. You have 20 attempts if you need them. It's really unlimited, but if you need more than 20, let me know. So the first part that you're going to do, you are going to drag and drop the dates below into your holidays. So it gives you a holiday for each one. And what you are going to do is you're going to drag and drop your days and your months. So remember, when we say the date in Spanish, your number of your day comes first and then your month. Okay? So if you write it backwards, it's going to tell you it's wrong. So try not to think in English here, right? Remember when you say your date, for example, today's date is February 18th. In Spanish, we would say the 18th of February. So your number comes first and then your month. So you're going to fill those out. Your next 5 or so questions are based on this reading. So you have this reading. You also have a recording if you'd like to listen to me read through it. And this first section is a highlighting or an underlining. So you're going to read or listen to this article, and you are going to highlight or underline any cognates, so words that look or sound like English. So you're going to read through, and you are going to underline or circle or whatever you would like of cognates, so words that look or sound like English. Your next couple of questions up until number 6, those are all questions based on that reading, and they're all in English. Number 7 is going to be your last question. So this says you're going to write out the following dates in Spanish. So these dates are all written in shorthand, and you are going to write them out. Remember that when you see a date written in Spanish, again, it's backwards. So the day comes first and then the month. So just like this model, it says 2/12. That does not mean that it's February 12th. What it means is that it is the 2nd of December. So each of your formats here should be written out el, the number, day, and then your month. So as long as you put el in your first blank and day in your second blank, you're going to get at least 50% of this correct. The only other 2 things you have to worry about is this second blank should be your first number written out. This last blank should be this number as a month. And then you should be good to go. So that is the end of your fecha dates activity. The last thing you're going to do is a cumpleaños Flipgrid assignment. So you are going to record yourself saying your name, your age, and your birthday. So here's a script for you, and you can fill in this yellow, and you're going to say, me llamo, your name, yo tengo, whatever your age is, años, and mi cumpleaños es el, number of the day, and your month, and record it on Flipgrid.